Hi everybody, this is Scott Turnmeyer here. This is my first video blog, so I'm really excited to be doing this. I've been working very hard to get to this point, been excited to try it, so here we go. I wanted to just take a very quick few minutes. I posted a photo on Instagram and Facebook the other day of a shot I took near Phoenix, Arizona. It's very unique because it's a daytime shot of the desert with stars in the sky, and I asked everybody, how did I get this shot? So I had some really good offers and thoughts and everything like that. So let's talk about it, and I'm going to explain exactly how I did get the shot. So here we're looking at the shot, and it is a long exposure. Someone said it looks like a long exposure. It is definitely a long exposure shot. There's no doubt about it. This is a 15-second shot. I'm shooting a wide angle 12 millimeter lens here, so I couldn't go more than 15-second shot, but without getting a lot more of the star movement, and I didn't want a lot of the star movement. So here I'm at f4. I needed to get some light into the camera, so I'm at f4. That was the lowest that the lens I was using at the time would go. I didn't have a super wide angle 2.8 or anything lower than that, so I was shooting an f4. The trick here is my ISO was only 2500. I had a lot of people tell me, oh, your ISO was boosted. This was blue hour, or you were doing it right after golden hour, or something like that. No, that's not the case, and I'll say again, as I said in my post, there is no Photoshop done in this photo. This is straight out of the camera. But what I did do was shoot this on a full moon night. So I love to do this on full moon nights. Basically, if you have the moon at your back or up above you or something like that, if you shoot long exposure on a full moon night, you can take very unique landscape photos. And that's what this was. This was a full moon night. This shot was taken a little after midnight near Phoenix, Arizona. It's the New River area, as a matter of fact. It's a beautiful shot. I love this part of the desert. I love this part of the country. In fact, I love this part of the world. Went out late. Was on a patio and took this shot. This is exactly what I wanted to do. So basically you're looking at a full moonlit night on a 15-second shot at ISO 2500 and f4. And that's how I got this shot. So here in Virginia, I'm looking for a lot of other places. I've already picked out about 5 or 6 places I want to do something like this. But try it sometime. You'll get some very unique shots. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to follow me on the items that you see at the bottom. You can find me on Facebook, you can find me on Instagram, follow my YouTube channel, and obviously turnmeyer.com or turnmeyergalleries.com. Got some great workshops and stuff coming up after this COVID-19 is all over with. Some of them are still registering because we don't know what's going to happen. Check them out on turnmeyer.com, and hope to see you guys there. Take care.